What's up, everyone? How's it going? I'm just saying what's up, everyone? This video is about tools. Y'all might think that these are pliers. No. Vice grips. The difference between vice grips and pliers: one, this is the dial. The dial right here, turn it, loosens it. Like this is loosened, the other way is tightened. And when you want to release, you can do it that. You can, if you want to release, just push it like that. Let me see here. And it has these grooves right here. It's a little loose. All you have to do, put it on, do it like that, twist to tighten. But it's not for used for canes. It's used for like water hoses, you know, or clamp down something. Pliers, you just do the same thing, tightening hoses, like water hoses and stuff like that. Anyways, I'll talk with y'all later. Alright. There is a black cherry too. There are 5 flavors. Here's the black cherry. Black cherry going in. Da-da-da-da. The black cherry. Sorry. The black cherry is sweet. But what if multiples of the same flavor? And y'all want me to redo the black cherry? I got more. And this time, I put it in front of my TV. Next time. See ya. Stitched the video where I saw. But they made 2 monsters of Yu-Gi-Oh cards, you know? No, 3 monsters that they have ruined, and it's all 3 of the Egyptian god cards, and also offers the Tormentor too. They have ruined those because the god cards and Obelisk and Exodia are not meant to be two monsters. They're not. And yeah, I'm screaming. Make better on my neck. Anyways, that's just wrong on so many levels. They messed up all four of those monsters. Cypher the Sky Dragon, Avas the Tormentor, Ring Dragon of Raw, and Exodia. Again, I have the regular. I have all 5 pieces of Exodia and all 3 Egyptian gods. I'm just ranting right now.